You're entering my shot.
Thus, the commander of the 10 platoon.
Representative of 10 platoon, form up. Ready for all taking. May I have your permission to stand up at ease? Your Lordship.
Beautiful. Permission sought and granted. Philip Isaac Issa is commander representative of the 10 platoons on parade. He has introduced the 10 platoon representatives and ready for the oath taking. Philip Isaac Issa read biochemistry from Adamawa State University, Mubi, Adamawa State. He loves playing football and dancing. As soon as he puts them at ease, we'll hand over to his lordship for the formalities.
Representative of 10 platoon, stand at ease.
Thank you.
Stand at ease.
Lordship. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Gombe State, permit me to stand on the well-established protocols. Before we proceed with the oath-taking, I want my core members to know that what we do is to swear that you be loyal to your country, the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is so important because the country expects you to be faithful and to uphold the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. On that note, we shall proceed with the taking of the oath of allegiance. Parade Commander, you put them at attention and then we'll begin. Parade Commander.
Shoot.
Lift up your right leg so that you take the oath like that. 1, 2, go. I pledge Nigeria, my country. The first one from our nation to do United Humanitarian Society. The first one of our aspiration to build the peaceful, prosperous, faith-free, egalitarian society, and a great nation. And our motto, service and humility. I, member of the National Youth Service Corps, 2024, hereby pledge to follow at all times the leadership of those in authority, irrespective of their social and educational background. And in particular, I shall, at all times and in all places, think, act, regard myself, and speak first as a Nigerian before anything else. Be proud of the fatherland. Appreciate and cherish the culture, the tradition, act and language of the nation. Be prepared to serve honestly, faithfully, and if need be, pay the supreme sacrifice for the fatherland. Be well informed about the history, geography, economy, and the resources of Nigeria. Regard fellow Nigerians as my brothers and sisters, and myself as my brother's keeper. Have a healthy attitude to work and play. I shall not only be ready to work in any part of the country to which I am deployed, but also genuinely identify myself with the problems and aspirations of the people of the areas in which I work. Certain difficulties and challenges in a disciplined and self-reliant manner, constitutionally pursuing grievances and properly challenging such for redress. See myself also as a leader who must give effective leadership by my transparent, honest, and selfless service. Detect and shun bribery and all forms of corruption and nepotism. Be cautious and polite at all and sundry. Be obedient without being slavish. Always remember the motto and strive continuously to live up to the ideals of the National Youth Service Corps during and after my service year. So help me God. A round of applause for yourselves and for the Chief Judge. Thank you, Justice Barabo S. Sika. We appreciate you for a job well done. Thank you, congratulations by you. That's one platoon there with their core value patriotism. Akko represents one platoon. He read social studies education from University of Jos, Nigeria. Her state of origin is FCT Abuja. Loves singing and cooking. And at this swearing-in ceremony, he represents one platoon. Good. Thank you, patriotism people, one platoon there. Representing two platoon, Mary Maman. Mary Maman read Office Technology and Management from Kaduna Polytechnic, Kaduna State. She loves singing, watching movies, and cooking. She's a member of the 2024 batch A-1 service year, representing two platoons. Loyalty is their core value. That is two platoon. Are you celebrating your representative? Thank you, two platoon there. Representing 3 platoon, Jemima Danjuma Ezekiel, University of Maiduguri, where Jemima read statistics. Hails from Borno State Northeast, deployed to Gombe for National Service. She loves singing and reading, representing 3 platoon. Their core value is diligence. 3 platoon, are you there?